The financial statement. The financial plan usually includes the following financial statement. One of these is profit and loss statement. They present regarding sales, expenses incurred or will be incurred by business as given date. Magatag lang siya o details about sa sales niya and expenses. And also balance. Present details of what business owns, assets, and its value. It's present the equity contribution of owners and liability to the creditors. Cash flow. Cash flow statement present in details the project cash, expenses, and disbursement for the given period. Financial analysis basically contains of computation of profitability, liquidity, and marketability, if applicable, of the enterprise based on the information from the profit and loss statement and the balance sheet. Social cost benefit analysis require you to look at benefits and the cost that will be accrued to the society in general if your prospective business is established. Organizing. Organizing the enterprise is the process of establishing relationship, delegating responsibilities, and defining authorities to manage the group to work efficiently at the workplace. Means organize. You need to organize your workmates or worker to do work properly and also responsibility sa mga tao. Small business enterprise is manageable. According to Stanley and Morse, a small enterprise is sometimes defined as a manufacturing or service enterprise wherein the owners, managers is not actively involved in guidance, and the leadership without the help of specialist staff. Marketing refers to activity a company undertakes to promote the buying and selling of the product or service. Marketing includes advertising, selling, and delivering product to consumer or other business. Some market is done by, some market is done by affiliates on behalf of a company. Market is kanang kinsay mo promote, then kinsay mo baligya sa product. Production, the action of making manufacturing from components or the raw material or the process of being manufactured. Finance is a broad term that describes activity associated with banking, leverage, debit, credit, capital markets, money, and investment. Basically, finance presents money, management, and the process of acquiring needs funds. It means mulihok sa mga account. Siya mo process. Administration, the process or the activity of running a business, organization, or etc. Using the legal form from business. One of these is sole proprietorship. Is the business owned by one person. It is realized organization to form. The advantage of the sole proprietorship is you allowed to be your own boss. Wala kay amo, ikaw lang isa. Then, easy to start lang siya. And also, kung unsa ang halin na arani mo, ikaw lang mag-keep, then wala kay kahati. And also, kung nasa siya disadvantage, Kung mabankrupt, di ikaw lang ang magbayad, wala kay cashier kay ikaw raman isa. The another one is partnership. Is formed when two or more partners come together as joint owners of a business. Advantage of partnership is more money available, more heads contribution to the success of the business. And the disadvantage is control of the business is shared and those limited. Profit are shared and those reduced. Consequence of the poor decision made by a partner. Kana imong partner masayop di kamon duha magtinabangay para solve to inyong kuan nasayop na decision. Corporation. A business involved 5 or more person who owning the business. The advantage of the corporation is capital is easy raise. Dali ra kay siya motubo kay daghan man gud inyong partner. And also the disadvantage is cooperate an individual profit in the form of the dividends and tax separately, and more expenses are involved, more rules and more regulation to comply with. Cooperative is a group enterprise. It made up a number of producers, traders, consumers who want to produce, read as a group so that they may avail themselves or economies of sales, which individually they will not able to obtain. The advantage of cooperative is the capital is easy to raise, the liability is limited, and more people benefits from profit earned. And also, owners members may be employ manager and relevant equalization. And the disadvantage of this is control of the business is shared. Ideas and decision may be board have to be accepted by the general members. Before ka mag-build of business, you need to register your business first. First is register with the DTI. It means Department Traders and Industry. Register your business name with the DTI office in the city or the province where your business is located para ma-identify sa dimong business also. And register with the BIR. You need to go the Bureau of International Revenue, BIR, to get a tax identification number. It means TIN for the taxation purpose. And also another registration agency, Food Drugs Administration, to form manufacturing drugs, cosmetics, and food product. Fiber Development Authority to business engaged in processing and trading of fiber and fiber product, etc.